Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Roblox Studio and how to use the basic tool in Roblox Studio. If you are new game patients, don't worry at all, because in this video is perfect for beginner. I will explain everything step by step. So, Roblox Studio is a free tool for the create your own game and world. You can build map, add object, and decide the gameplay. Don't need to be a programmer to start. You can create a many thing just have using the basic tool. If you have never seen to use the Roblox Studio before, I will use simple English and explain slowly. You can follow along while watching. Okay, the next, you will learn how to use the basic tool in Roblox Studio. For example, how to scale, move, select, and rotate the objects. After that, we will use the terrain edition tool. I will show you how to create a simple terrain map in this tool. So, by the end of this video, you can build your own map and you don't need to be the perfect. Just enjoy creating. You can making mistake because in this part of learning, so don't be afraid to try a new thing. Alright, now that you guys know what in this video is about, let's get it started. First thing first, we're going to install Roblox Studio. You can go to the Google, find Roblox Studio. Click in Install Roblox Studio. Scroll down and click in the download button. Wait a minute and click again in Download Studio. Wait for the Download Studio Roblox file download. Click in this file and wait it install.
One eternity later.
Now, Roblox Studio is installed finished. You can go back to the home screen and click the Roblox Studio icon. So, when you click on Roblox icon to access the program, for first time user, please register or log in, and you will see the Roblox Studio homepage like this one. The next step, please follow me. Okay, you guys click on the new project. Look at the top left corner and click on the file. Select a save-in file and set the name as project 1 or something that you want. Look the left top, you will see a toolbar. Let's start with the select tool. In this, the most important tool in the Roblox Studio, the select tool. Let you click the object to shoot it. You must select an object before you can edit it. For example, if you click a block, the block is selected. Now you can move, scale, or rotate in this block. If nothing is selected, the tool will not work. So, always check if your object is selected. The next, let's talk about Move Tool. In this tool, help you move the objects to different places. When you use the Move tool, you will see 3 arrows, red, green, and blue arrow, show different directions. For example, you can move the platform up to the mega bridge and try moving objects slowly. Small movement help your map look more cleaner. Now, let's use the scale tool. In this tool, Change the size of object. You can make an object taller, wider, or thinner. Just bring a small block on the objects. For example, scale a block to make a wall, or scale a platform to make a floor. And be careful when you're scaling, because very thin object can be hard for player to stand on. The next is the rotate tool. In this tool is used to turn object around. Rotation is useful for making your map look natural. Not everything needs to be strength. For example, rotate tree to they look not the same. Rotate the rock to make the environment more realistic. File element. You can find element from say box. Like a candy, select the candy, click the one candy if you like, and custom or remove it add them if you want. Next, I add in the background. Similar is the finding element. You can find the favorite background in the search box as well. Right now, I'm searching about the galaxy. Click on the one galaxy is your interest. Ta-da! The background now your favorite galaxy. See everyone, it's so easy. Now, let's move on to the terrain editor tool. In this tool, you choose the create land and natural. You can add a terrain to make land and can remove the terrain if you make the mistake. First, I'm using add a draw to the grassy terrain. I start with the simple shape. If the terrain too big, I use the subtract to remove it. It helps me to fix the mistake. Terrain editor tools are the many textures for you choose from, such as the stone, brick, water, snow, and more. You guys can add, remove, and clean the terrain slowly. Don't rush. Next, I use a pen to change the terrain surface. Before we continue to the create map, let's talk about the keyboard or the keyboard shortcut. Keyboard helps you work faster and save a lot of time. You don't need to remember all of them, just learn a few of the basic ones first. Now let's talk about the WASD key. This key are used to move the camera, and this similar how to move the mini game. So if you play game, that will feel the very natural. Okay, let's try. W to move the camera forward, S to move the camera backward, A to move the camera to the left, D to move the camera to the right, Q down the camera, E up the camera. Take your time and practice the moving the camera. Good camera control make the buildings much easier. Let's start again at a simple map. I begin by using the terrain editor tool to draw a grassy terrain circle except the area. Then decide some part at a mountain and some part at a river. I use a pen tool to add a sand texture when you guys make the terrain done. Now adding the same element to the map. That includes a tree, rock, and the small detail of the others. Place the objects slowly and spread them out. This helps to map look more natural, and I change the size and rotate the each objects. Not everything needs to look the same. Small detail make a big difference. You can use the other element if you want, and they help bring the map to the light. And this is how I add element and background to my map. Okay, now this is map is finished. So I want to walk into inside the map. In this map, we create a simple, but this is your own world. This map start from the basic tool and a simple terrain. If you are a beginner, don't be afraid to try to create this map. Thank you for your watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy the building your own map and create your own world. So see you next time. Bye bye.